Yat Ebene, good morning, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo word today is going to be seeds. To say seeds in Navajo, you say Álástsii, Álástsii, or you can say Ak'ó, Ak'ó, seeds, and that's just seeds in general. If you want to be more specific and say apple seeds, you would say Bilasana, Bilassi, or Bilasana, Ak'ó, apple seeds. Or you can say Chechian Bilassi or Chechian Ak'ó for watermelon seeds, or Nayiza Bilassi or Nayiza Ak'ó for squash seeds. Certain seeds you say Bana, meaning like its eyes for like acorns, Chechil Bana, or Indiyili Bana for sunflower seeds. Certain seeds that are obvious seeds, you don't have to say Álástsii or Ak'ó, like pinyon seeds. You don't say Desin, Bilassi, or Desin, Ak'ó. You just say Neshchi. To use it in a sentence, you can say Nadan kidede shlechensin, Álástsii ishlat neholo. Nadan kidede shlechensin, Álástsii ishlat neholo. I wanted to plant corn. Do you have any seeds? And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Álástsii or Ak'ó, seeds. Have a nice day.